I tend to spend a lot of time on this channel mostly talking about the updates I've made to repairs that I've made on Goldie, my Craigslist rescue car. And now that I've sort of gotten it in a mechanically sound position, I'm about to take a big long trip all the way to Tulsa, Oklahoma, which I will document pretty thoroughly. And so in the meantime, I'm not really doing a whole lot of work on Goldie. And so what I'll do is instead, let's take a look at this. Hoover Convertible Elite. Vintage vacuum cleaner. Let's see the model. Alright. Now see, I want to compare this to my other, compared to my U4063 Hoover convertible over here, there is a considerable amount more of metal underneath here in the undercarriage on the Elite model than over here on the regular, which I've had to epoxy repair at one point when I purchased it. But they both use the A-style bags, so what we're going to do is remove and replace the bag. And this guy, give it a quick little scrub down and see if we can't get it to clean up this leafy ass rug. First. What the fuck is this? I don't think this is the A-style bag. This is Type C. Well, I may have been wrong. Hoover Convertible Elite. It says right here, fits all Hoover upright cleaners using Type A bags, including Elite. Yeah, I don't know. Let's do some investigation. Okay, so it looks like my Elite here is wanting the Type C type bags, ones that just open, hole at the bottom. Would you like me to do a video digging through that? None of that's mine. That came from someone else's house. Weird. So, I have this Type A bag. It's gonna have to work for now until I can get, I guess, some Type C's in. So what I have is a notice in pre-1981 models to cut out the collar. I don't think that will fit on there, but that isn't going to fit on there. So what I'm going to have to do is literally, what I'm going to do is just open up one side of this bag and attach it the same way that was attached, and it will have to suffice in the meantime. So let's see how well that works. So I fixed up an A bag to work sort of like the C bag will. This is going to take a little bit more than a quick, it's going to be more than the quick 1-2 that I thought this was going to be. So bear with me, I suppose. No, I haven't seen a bear in Texas in a while. So, I'll check it out. Those fins are metal, not like the plastic ones. And the other one, this belt, still looking pretty good too. Looks like someone used it once and then put it away. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and get it sort of cleaned up the rest of the way, enough to where it'll function, and do a quick little demonstration. Yes, anyways, there we go. I have removed the sort of suggestive bag coupling here, and it seems to have disintegrated. I'm just going to shove that back on there as best as I can after I clean it up a little bit, of course. But that's, yeah, that will just get sucked up into the bag. Not a big deal. Let's do some reassembly and vacuum this up and assemble. All right, got us all reassembled, plugged in, ready to give it a try. I have it set to low. There we go. I think it did us a fine job considering what a piece of shit this rug is. It's looking good enough to lay down on now. Alright, cool. Time to hit this thing with some simple green and get it ready for its next life. I hope y'all enjoyed this. Thanks for watching. Bye.